Hello, today we will write our first HTML program. So how I will start my first HTML program? First of all, I'll start with doc type tag. So I'll write here exclamation sign doc type HTML. Here I'm telling that this is my HTML document, and in the document how I'll start. Then if I have written HTML, then I'll write HTML, and then I'll over this tag simultaneously. Then after this I will write body tag, and in the body tag you can write then body tag is also over. HTML is not case sensitive, so you need not to worry of writing your tags in small letter or capital letters. Whichever you find suitable, you can write in that way. So here I will just display a simple message and saying this is my first web page. This is my first web page. So when I have written this, I can just run it, because see, h1 tag will be showing your this is my first web page in little bit bigger font size, so you can see the output. So here it has come. This is my first web page. Now in the web page, if you want to put out some text, more text, paragraph kind of thing, then you can use a paragraph tag, and here you can write down this is here you can write down today I am happy to visit to zoo again I'll start tag visit to zoo where I will see many birds and animals. Like this I can put some paragraph, and on the basis of this will be displayed. So when I'll execute it, you will see everything in the inside the body tag. So that will be appearing here. Say run it and you will get the output. Now after this, let us suppose if you want to make if you want to change the color of its background or something, then you can do here in the h1 tag. You can write here style equal to, then you can put here color, and this color you can put red color. So when you have done this style equal to red color, now again you can print it, see the output that will be appearing in the red color now. So here running, and this color should appear in red color. So I think the base could not be color, style is red. Oh, I think spelling is wrong. So spelling is wrong, I need to rectify this, and then I can run this and see what it is going to give you. It has changed a color of this one, and simultaneously in the paragraph also, if you want to change color of the paragraph as well, you will be putting style equal to, say it is green, so you are putting this color in green color, so it will be looking like this. So here you can run it and you can see that has appeared in the green color. And similarly, if you want to change this, and if you want to change some font of it, then again you can put some more styling here. Style equal to, you can put, I will put it as blue color. So like this, in my HTML page I can write down various colors. So this is my first web page, and in which I have used various colors. So now this program can be extended to little more, and not only this, if you want to use various h1 heading tags means like h2 to s6 we can use. So you can put here h2 tag, you can say this is class 10th report. This is class 10th report. This you have written in the s2 tag, and in s3 tag I will write s3, how it looks like that you can see s3 tag. This is class 11th report, class 11th report. So you can print it again, class 10th and class 11th. And so my aim is here to show you how the size of the font is changing. So this is class 12th report. So like this, these things are coming up, and here h1, s2, s3, s4 all text you have used, and after that you have used paragraph. See what output is going to come with various tags. So here you can see the varying font size is coming up on the screen, and your page can look like very nice. So like this you can do more programming on HTML. So thank you very much for seeing this.